Can uploading photos online make you $500 on a single day? Sounds too sweet to be true, but we as people are making money just uploading photos online. This is a proven means of earning income quite easily, and it is available worldwide. So you can make money wherever you are regardless of the geographical location. There is no selling, no special skills required, and there are no hidden fees. This method is so simple that just about anyone with a computer or smartphone with internet access can get started. So be sure to watch this video till the end to never miss a point. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, I want you to go straight to this first website, which is going to help you to earn by posting photos. And the website is called Foap. You can access their website through the address www.foap.com. This platform contains a gallery of millions of high-quality and high-resolution images and videos. However, Foap.com is not just like any other platform where you get photos. It is like a marketplace that brings together various brands and talented creators. Foap has hundreds and thousands of people buying and selling photos as well as video content. But in our case, we are going to focus on photos, not videos. And so we shall have to join as sellers or creators so that we can offer our photos to buyers. Once you're at the Foap.com homepage, all you need to do is to check on the right side of your screen, expand the menu and click on Switch to Creators to change the page from brands to creators. This will redirect you to this page where you can see this tagline that reads, "Time to make extra money with your videos and photos." Below this tagline is an option to allow you to download the Foap app on your Android or Apple device. Alternatively, you can visit the Google Play Store or Apple Store to download Foap directly. Once you have the Foap app with you, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. This will now allow you to have full access to Foap Creators platform, where you can simply upload photos and videos and get paid. Anytime a brand agency or anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a photo or video from your Foap portfolio, you earn half the profit and the other half goes to the Foap platform. But that is not the only way you can earn from Foap. There is also the option of taking part in created video and photo missions for brands and winning hundreds of dollars. You only need to follow the mission brief and submit a photo or video that's in line with what the client needs. Such an easy way of maximizing your profits on Foap. And as you can see here, people are earning hundreds of dollars on various missions. It will depend on what you want to complete. You can choose to go with video missions or choose to complete photo missions. And for every mission you complete, you earn. Selling photos on Foap is indeed a great way you can use to make passive income, considering that the photos or videos you submit will remain there and can keep earning money as long as Foap continues to exist. There is no limit to the number of images you can upload in a day. It all depends on your effort. The more submissions you make, the higher the chances of earning more from Foap. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Let's now move on and talk about the second website, which you can use in the comfort of your home to post photos and make money. And this website is called Shutterstock.com. Just like Foap.com, Shutterstock.com also has a huge library of high-quality photos, which people or brands can purchase. But at the same time, you can be a contributor of photos on Shutterstock and earn every time someone purchases your photos. Anyone who signs up using your referral link will help you to get a cut of the purchases or income they make on the platform. However, before you can even make submissions on Shutterstock, you'll need to first sign up for an account, and the process is quite simple. Simply scroll up the contributors page and click the orange button that says Get Started. This will open a form where you can fill in your personal details, including your full name and display name, then enter your email address and password. You'll have to check this box here to certify that you're 18 years or older and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Next to create your Shutterstock account. The secret to making your work much easier is to use the same photo on Foap and Shutterstock at the same time. This means that from a single photo, you can make unlimited amount of money. And the more websites you sign up for photo submission, the higher your chances of earning more. This is a super cool way of earning passive income. If you like the video so far, then Make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Now, I know you're probably wondering how you can get high-quality images that you can submit to the two websites we've mentioned, right? Well, the process is quite simple. You don't need to buy a camera and start capturing images to get started with this method. I'm going to show you two more websites where you can get high-quality images that you can download for free and use to submit to Foap or Shutterstock and make money. So the first photo website that has nice images is called Burst, and this website is powered by Shopify. To access their website, simply visit www.burstshopify.com and you can start downloading stunning photos which you can use to make money on the websites we mentioned earlier. You can begin by exploring the available images by category, then choose the one that you find suitable. And if you have an idea of what you want, you can simply type in the search bar and search for that particular image that you want. Now, when you hover your mouse on any of the images, you'll see two options to download. There is the option to download low quality, and there is an option to download high quality images. Considering that we're going to upload on a website to make money, we need a high quality image. So you can choose the high resolution and download the image. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Now, the second website that can give you free high-quality images that you can sell is called picwizard.com. This website boasts over 1 million high-quality stock images and videos in its library, all of which are royalty-free and can be used in commercials with no need for attribution. Once you reach here, the only thing you need to do is to go straight and select the image that suits your needs and download it. The image can be submitted on Shutterstock or Foap to enable you to start earning. The opportunities are endless, and as you can tell, if you can submit even 10 photos on both Shutterstock and Foap every day, you'll have high chances of making a huge amount of passive income as you go about your daily duties. I hope this video helps you to implement at least one method of earning by posting photos. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways of making money online. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.